Hello, my name is Daniel Diaz, and today I'll be presenting you my individualized project plan. This will be achieved by utilizing project management principles discussed throughout the semester. So, firstly, as described in Lecture 3, Project Scope Management, by developing an individualized study scope statement, it will highlight my study expectations as well as provide clarity on what's required to successfully complete my course. However, in order for this to be achieved, the scope statement must cover the SMART objectives. So firstly, be specific. The objective is clearly stated. Secondly, measurable, so list metrics to determine if the objective has been successfully achieved, so in the form of credit points being attained. Thirdly, attainable, so I personally believe the objective is achievable and realistic by following the deliverables on the right. Fourthly, it is relevant, so the objective complements my individual study needs and wants as well as supports the course study structure. And lastly, timely, so a target date of my objective is clearly stated, which is the end of next year. Following on, implementing a study plan is an effective way to create clarity and direction that complements the above scope schedule. Therefore, currently enrolled and planned future subjects are clearly stated, as well as identifying total credit points required for me to complete my course. As a result, it will assist me in achieving my scope objective and address the SMART goals, as productive time management and a long-term plan are promoted. Lastly, a risk is any uncertain event or condition that might affect my study and can be both positive and negative, as outlined in Lecture 6. It's advised to perform a risk register, which requires an understanding of risk management techniques. Therefore, it will provide me the opportunity to clearly identify the 5 risks as shown in the table, their corresponding consequences, and their risk rating, and potentially develop a response to those risks. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope I've provided you an insight into my own individualized project plan.